Hello everyone.
Good morning.
Today we will speak about oral examination, where students should
Compare and contrast two pictures. In a minute and a half, he must be ready to answer, and he must speak for not more than 2 minutes. If his answer is right and everything is clear, he will get 7 points. Let's analyze the task.
Now look here. You can see two pictures and look at the task. What should you do?
Yes, and of course there should be an introduction. After them comes a brief description of the photos, action, where you use present continuous, and location, present simple tense. The second part is what the pictures have in common, you should say.
The third part, you should say in what way the pictures are different.
Yes. So the next is say which of the ways of watching films presented in the pictures you prefer, and of course explain why. And in the end you should tell
Your feelings.
yes, and conclusion.
Please don't forget using present continuous tense. Okay?
Yes, on your tables you have sheets of papers where this task is presented. So here you can see an introduction. A lot of people love watching films. Now I would like to compare and contrast these two photos.
Now give a brief description in the photos. Now, in the first photo, you can see a couple watching a film in the cinema. You shouldn't forget to say about action and location. In the second photo, there is another couple and they are watching a film at home.
So, next is say what the photos have in common. So you should begin with the sentence. These two photos have something in common. In both photos, you can see a couple. Moreover, they are watching a film, and they all have dark hair. It's an example.
And of course, you should say in what way they are different. However, these two photos have some differences. Yes, you see there. In the first photo, people are wearing glasses. Yes, glasses. And in the second photo, they aren't. In the first photo, they have something to eat and drink. And in the second photo, they have no food.
So, say what way of watching films presented in the pictures do you prefer? So you should begin. I prefer the way of watching films. You should use the full sentences presented in the photo number 2. Because,
Because, for example, I don't like dark and crowded places, and it's more comfortable to watch a film at home.
yes.
What is your preference?
So, and the last one is a conclusion. Anyway, I'm meeting my friends at the weekend and we are going to the cinema together. And the last sentence, that's all I wanted to say. It's a conclusion. So, and now, we suggest you to do this task. On your tables you can find pictures and you should choose.
Task 44.
Yes, 44. You should choose the task and you have 1 minute and a half to be ready to prepare. And remember, you must speak for not more than 2 minutes. We have sunglasses, yes?
Not sunglasses.
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 Yes.
Sandwich maybe.
Begin?
Okay, now?
The plan is
Okay, be ready, I will ask you.
Okay, teacher.
Now the time is over. Who will begin? You begin. Okay, begin please.
So I have got two pictures with people doing different activities outside. So they have in common the following things. They are both are outside. They are alone in these pictures, and there is the people on the background and the forest and the sky on the background. So the weather is sunny in both pictures, and they are doing different kinds of sport in both pictures. So anyway, they have something different. So you can see that the seasons are different. In the picture number 1 there is winter, and in picture number 2 it's summer. And the first person is a woman, and the second person is a man. In the first picture, the woman is having a rest after her exercises on the ski, and on the second picture, the man is in the middle of the action. He is riding a bike. I prefer the picture number 2 because I have a lot of time because I have a lot of time when I have vacation, and I have a lot of time to ride a bike around Labuga and do this kind of activity. So that's all that you can
Thank
say.
you very much. Your answer was full.
Yes. One more volunteer.
Okay, okay, you can say.
So I have got two pictures. They show us two different disasters. And in the first photo we can see tsunami and a lot of houses of some village under the water. And in the second picture we can see tornado, maybe in some field, yes? So these two photos have something in common. In both photos we can see natural disasters, and they was ruined, everything all around. So, however, these two photos have some differences because tsunami is linked with
Not
water.
because, but tsunami is connected with
With water, okay? And in the second photo there is no water, but there is strong wind, yes. So, should I say I prefer in these pictures? I prefer? No?
Which is
Which
scarier.
of the disasters is more scary?
I think that flood is more scary for me because there are a lot of houses under the water. Anyway, I think that all disasters, all natural disasters in the world are scary, and I don't want to face with them.
But what picture do you prefer?
Not, there is no, not prefer, but the question is more scary.
Okay.
That's all?
That's all, yes. That's all I wanted to say.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So,
Now you have the sheet of paper with Now put the marks, yes? Put the points.
According to this.
Я полагаю, что когда мы пройти задачу у обоих была бы половина, да? Все
So
сказали
there
наш.
should be 12-15 sentences.
Это что?
Если, получается, в ваших ответах есть 12-15 фраз, то вот за решение коммуникативной задачи вы в любом случае ставите 3 балла. If you have 9, 11 sentences, there should be 2 points. So 6, 8 sentences, 1 point, and if you have only 5 sentences, there will be no point. Это все задание все.
And of course we will put you 7 points.
Yes.
Yes, because your answers were full and you spoke continuously, yes, and you use present continuous tense, and your speaking was very interesting.